Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I just want to make this short video for some people. You know, it's just a short summary for some people. It will help some people out there. You know, you see this life now. This life is per head. I don't want to confuse. I don't want to confuse. I don't want to confuse you, but I just want you to pick some certain things out of what I'm going to say here. This life is per head, so use your head, use your HQ. Make use of your time while the fire is still burning. Okay? Make use of your time while the fire is still burning. Now, let me not bore you with some too much of words here. You see, one thing you need to understand about this life is the greatest enemy you can ever have is yourself. And the best friend you can ever have is yourself. I know I'm confusing some people here. The great enemy you can ever have is yourself. And the worst and the best friend you can ever have is yourself. So choose which one you want, either to be an enemy to yourself or to be a best friend to yourself. Now let me break it a little bit. In this life, you don't put your mind, you don't put your hope on anybody. You don't put your hope on anybody for anybody to come and rescue you or to come and help you. The people out there can only help you only 10 or 20%. You can only help yourself 100%. People out there cannot help you 100%. They can only help you 10%. After all, they will flee. They will run away because they cannot help you the way you want them to help you. You can only help yourself. That is why I say use your HQ, use your head. Do it now while the fire is still burning. Do it now you have the little opportunity to lay something down. You don't put your hope on anybody. You don't put your mind on anybody. You don't put your trust on anybody for somebody to come and elevate you. No way. It doesn't nobody. You can't see that anywhere. You can only do it for yourself while the thing is still burning. Now, I said something like, you can only be a best friend to yourself and you can be a worst enemy to yourself. Why am I saying this? You can work things for yourself. If you want a better life, if you want to make a best friend to yourself, then you have to work hard for you to be a best friend to yourself. Nobody is your best friend out there. And nobody is your enemy out there. You are the enemy for yourself and you are the best friend for yourself. When you work hard and you achieve something in your life, then you are automatically become a best friend to yourself and you will be happy for yourself. And that makes you a best friend to yourself. Then when you don't work hard, you rely on people to come and help you. You rely on your family or friends out there. And at the end of the day, when they disappoint you, you begin to put blame on them or begin to put people in your mind that nobody helps you or nobody wants to help you. No. Nobody will help you. You have to help yourself. Fine, I know you need somebody in life and you need one person or you need two people or you need someone in your life to add something to your life in order for you to lift, because you need someone to lift you. But that person cannot lift you all through. You have to lead yourself. You have to lift yourself. Immediately that person lift you. Lift yourself from there. Carry on from there. You don't put your mind, you don't put your hope that somebody has to lift you all through. You cannot see it anywhere. It's not done. So you have to be a best friend to yourself by struggling hard and achieving something for yourself so that you will be happy, and at the end of the day you will become a best friend to yourself. And when you don't work hard and you achieve nothing in life, then you are an enemy to yourself. And don't put blame on your fathers, don't put blame on your friend, don't put blame on anybody, your sister, your cousin, on anybody. Don't put blame on anybody, because you refuses to work or refuses to struggle hard while the fire is still burning. Okay, so that is the reason why I said you are an enemy to yourself and a best friend to yourself. Thank you.